Have you ever pondered the depth and diversity found within the Islamic world? Welcome, one and all, to an enlightening journey into the heart of Islam, a faith embraced by over 1 billion souls worldwide. Today, we embark on an exploration of the Islamic faith's core beliefs, its historical evolution, and its rich cultural tapestry. Prepare to delve into a topic that has shaped world history and continues to influence contemporary societies. At the heart of Islam is the profound belief in monotheism, the oneness of God known as Allah in Arabic. Muslims view Allah as merciful, compassionate, and beyond human comprehension. They believe that every facet of life should reflect this deep reverence for the divine. Then there's the prophetic tradition. Muslims believe in a line of prophets beginning with Adam and culminating with Muhammad, whom they regard as the last prophet. Muhammad's life and teachings, as recorded in the Hadith, serve as a guide for Muslims in their daily lives. Now consider the Quran, Islam's holy book. Muslims believe that the Quran is the word of God as revealed to Muhammad. It serves as a spiritual guide, a legal code, and a moral compass. Next, let's discuss the 5 pillars of Islam: faith, prayer, charity, fasting, and pilgrimage. These pillars represent the fundamental practices that shape a Muslim's life. Faith, or shahada, is the declaration of belief in the oneness of God and the prophethood of Muhammad. Prayer, or salah, involves 5 daily prayers facing the Kaaba in Mecca, a practice that unites Muslims worldwide in a global rhythm of worship. Charity, or zakat, involves giving a portion of one's wealth to the needy, embodying the principle of social responsibility. Fasting, or Sawm, is observed during Ramadan, the 9th month of the Islamic lunar calendar. It's a time of self-discipline, reflection, and empathy for those less fortunate. Finally, the pilgrimage, or Hajj, is a journey to Mecca that every Muslim must undertake at least once in their lifetime, if they are able. The beauty of Islam also lies in its cultural diversity. From the majestic architecture of Andalusia and Istanbul to the vibrant arts and literature of Persia and India, Islam's cultural heritage is as diverse as its followers. In conclusion, we've journeyed through the core beliefs of Islam, from its emphasis on monotheism and prophethood to the significance of the Quran and the 5 pillars. We've also explored the rich cultural tapestry that Islam has woven through history. This journey is but a glimpse into the vast and fascinating world of Islam, a faith that continues to shape and be shaped by the course of human history. It's a journey that invites us to appreciate our shared humanity, understand our differences, and foster a spirit of mutual respect and understanding. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep questioning.